Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs.
In this tutorial, we'll cover what to do if your multi-track record button is grayed out and cannot be clicked in Adobe Audition. To kick things off, I've opened up an Adobe Audition project file and I'd like to record some audio on the first track of my multi-track editor. However, if I click record down here and say something into my mic, the quick brown fox jumps. Nothing is recorded onto any track as shown. Frustrating much? You don't say. But there are two possible causes for this. The most obvious culprit is because we haven't selected which track our recording device or microphone should record to. This is done by clicking on the little R button next to each multitrack, which typically turns red as shown when active. But wait, the R button cannot be clicked, it's grayed out. So what do we do? The first thing you should check is your audio hardware settings to ensure that your microphone is visible to Adobe Audition. To do this, go up to the Edit menu. Click Preferences, then on Audio Hardware. You should see a default input and a default output for your audio. If not, you may need to select your correct device class up here. Mine is MME, otherwise known as Microsoft Multimedia Environment. If your default input shows as no input, like mine, select the drop-down menu and choose your microphone from the list. In my case, it's the Yeti Classic. Now click OK to close the window. But hold on a minute, my R button is still grayed out. Don't fret, this is simply because you need to choose an input device that will record to this track. To do this, on the track that you wish to record to, select the top drop-down box, the one with the arrow facing right. Now select an audio channel, mono or stereo. Then choose the microphone you just configured in the default input settings page. And voila, your R button can now be enabled on that track and you can start recording. The quick brown fox jumps. The quick brown fox jumps. Repeat the same steps for any other tracks you wish to record to.
And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you again soon.